Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get these 4 games for free on Steam. So currently it is just the beginning of July 2026 and Steam is running a promotion where you can get these 4 games for free. So let's jump right into it. The first one is called Winexy. It is a 3D rolling ball game platformer, and all you need to do is just search this up on the Steam store and add to account, and then you'll be able to keep this game for free. The next one is Drift 86. This is a really unique and fun drifting game where you get all sorts of cars and you can drive them around on different circuits. Same as the previous thing, it was $3, but currently it is free if you just select add to account. The next game is Tell Me Why. This was released in 2020 and it is a bit more of an expensive game. It was priced at 29 Australian dollars, and you can add this one to your account as well. Now the last one is called Gravity Circuit. It is an action platformer with pixel graphics, and it is also currently free until the 15th of June. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next one. See ya.